Hey Gemini, this is a reading regarding you and the person that you are in no contact with. I already shuffled the cards because I'm trying to make these videos as short as I can so they can upload quicker. So I shuffled the cards and did everything I needed to do. So the overall energy of this reading with you and this person is the Three of Swords. Okay, there's pain here. Pain, regret. A lot of pain and regret regarding you and a person you're in no contact with, okay? All right. All right, Spirit, what is the current energy of the person that Gemini is in no contact? What is, Spirit, what is the current energy of the person that Gemini is in no contact with? What is the current energy of this person, Spirit, that Gemini is in no contact with? What is the current energy of this person regarding Gemini and the connection? Spirit, what is the current energy of the person that Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus is in no contact with? The Lover, Spirit. What is Gemini's no contact, the Lover's current emotion for Gemini? What's in their feelings? What's their current energy? What's Gemini's no contact Lover's current energy? No. Nope. I will not stop shuffling until I feel like it's meant. Okay, your person's current energy is the Five of Pentacles. Oh. So this person is feeling left out. They are feeling forgotten about. Yeah. Somebody feel like you just shut them out. For some of y'all, if you lived with this person, you could have kicked them out. Okay. All right, Spirit, what is Gemini's current energy regarding their lover that they are in no contact with currently? What is Gemini's current energy regarding the lover that they are in no contact with currently? What is Gemini's current energy regarding this connection with their no contact lover? The Lovers. Gemini, Nine of Swords on the bottom. Gemini, you know that there's a decision that you have to make, okay? You know that there's a decision that you have to make about this connection. Why is the Three of Swords the overall energy of this connection, Spirit, between Gemini and the person that they are in no contact with? Why is the Three of Swords the overall energy currently of this connection for Gemini and their person's no contact? Seven of Cups. For some of y'all, somebody here could have had options, a lot of options. Yeah, somebody here could have had options. Or somebody could not make their mind up on what they wanted. It's disappointment on both ends. I will say that. All right, Spirit. How does Gemini's person currently view them? How does this person currently view Gemini? 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 King of Wands. Tell me more about how this person currently views Gemini. Gemini, they feel like you set in your ways and that you're very, very passionate. Some of y'all, they could feel like you would look cocky. Tell me about the King of Wands for how this person currently views Gemini. Yeah, Gemini, they feel like you set in your ways and that you are not coming towards them on purpose. Some of y'all, they feel like you got an ego here. Like you're operating out of ego. All right, Spirit, how does Gemini currently view this person? How does Gemini view this person? How does Gemini view this person? How does Gemini view this person? The Three of Pentacles. Tell me about the Three of Pentacles for how Gemini views this person. Gemini, you feel like they want to work on it. Gemini, you feel like they want to work on it. You know they want to work on this with you. You know this is somebody who wants to come together with you. Tell me about this Three of Pentacles. Okay. For a small amount of y'all, Gemini, you feel like this person has moved on to something else. Okay. Some of y'all feel like this person has moved on to something else. Some of y'all could feel like this person is connecting with somebody else. Like they moved on from you to someone else. If not, you feel like this person wants to get past whatever happened between you two and work on it. Spirit, what is this person hiding from Gemini? Spirit, what is this person Gemini is in no contact with hiding from them? Spirit, what is this person hiding from Gemini? Spirit, what is this person hiding from Gemini that they are in no contact with? What is this person hiding from Gemini? What is this person hiding from Gemini? What is this person hiding from Gemini? What they hiding? They want to reconcile. And they're hurting. They're hurting. But for some of y'all, this could be reversed now, but this person tries to act like this whole connection does not bother them and that they're over it, but they really love you, Gemini. They really love you, okay? But they try to hold back. But they want to work on it. They want to get back in your good graces. That's what they hiding from you. It hurts them. It hurts them. This disconnect, this fallout really hurt them. Why am I shuffling again? I don't know. All right, Spirit. Spirit, what is Gemini not telling this? What is Gemini hiding from this person that they are in no contact with? What is Gemini hiding from this person that they are in no contact with? What is Gemini hiding from this? Okay. What is Gemini hiding from this person that they are in no contact with? What is Gemini hiding from this person that they are in no contact with? What is Gemini hiding from this person that they are in no contact with? The Knight of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Gemini, you love them. And you're hiding it. I think that this person, if this person really disappointed you, you don't want to make them feel like you are weak for them or that you're harboring over it. So I feel like you're putting on like this straight, tough face. But deep down, you love this person and you wanna express it. You wanna offer them your cup of love. Both people are hurt. Both people are hurt here. You're definitely guarded with that 9 of Wands on the bottom. All right, Spirit. What action will the person Gemini is in no contact with? What action will they take towards Gemini? What action will they take towards Gemini? What action will this person Gemini is in no contact with take towards them? Look at that, the 2 of Cups. That ain't no love right here. I don't know what is. What action will the person that Gemini is in no contact with take towards them? This came out in reverse, but I'm going to put it upright. What action will the person Gemini is in no contact with take towards them? Gemini, this person is stuck on you, friend. Look at that Ace of Wands. The 4 of Wands on the bottom, Gemini. They wanna come back to you. I'm gonna say this, and some people might relate, some people might not, but I honestly feel like if y'all were connecting with somebody who involved another person in this connection, your person loves you. With that other person, it's more so passionate. It's like sex-based. It's a sex-based connection for sure. And it's like their heart is with you. Their heart is definitely with you. Tell me about this 2 of Swords. Tell me about this 2 of Swords for what action the person Gemini is in no contact with will take towards them. Tell me about this 2 of Swords. What is that about? It's like they was just something fun to do. Some of y'all could be connecting with another air sign. This person is definitely going to come towards you. It's in their energy to want to come towards you and rekindle things with you and make things right. Okay? Gemini, I feel like that's you, that Queen of Swords. And that World, Gemini. I feel like you're not going to make it easy for this person. You are not going to make it easy for them. You are not going to make it easy for them. You are not. Yeah. They watching you. They watching you. Some of y'all Geminis might not even go back towards this person. Some of y'all might go towards new love. But this person loves you, honey. This person loves you. And I guess it took for them to lose you to see that you are really valuable. Yeah. Because you have to, you chuck the deuces on them. All right, Spirit, what does Gemini need to know about the person that they are in no contact with? What does Gemini need to know about the person that they are in no contact with? Spirit, what does Gemini need to know about the person that they are in no contact with? Two more. What does Gemini need to know about the person that they are in no contact with? What does Gemini need to know about this person that they are in no contact with, this lover? What does Gemini need to know? What does Gemini need to know about this person that they are in no contact with? Some of y'all could be a Taurus here. We got past life connection. That's why it could be so hard to walk away. What does Gemini need to know about this person that they are in no contact with currently? This lover. Insomnia. Text messages soon, I told you. For some of y'all, it could be an Aries. I got every zodiac sign up here, just about. But the ones that stand out is really air and water the most. What does Gemini need to know about this person that they are in no contact with currently? Them text messages soon, they're definitely going to reach out. Somebody's expressing some emotion. Some of y'all could be dealing with a Virgo. With her, but I want you. Like I said, some of y'all, there could have been somebody who was not making a decision about you and was keeping their options open and was connecting with somebody else. Internet lover, social media. Some of y'all could have met this person on the internet. I do not trust you. Gemini, I feel like that's you not trusting this person. But you love them. You love them. Some of y'all could be a Libra. Two weeks. Some of y'all could hear from this person in 2 weeks. 2 weeks might be significant. Some of y'all, there could be an age difference. Give me one more message. Some of y'all could be a Sagittarius. On the bottom, I have Leo. So Geminis in no contact, that is what I have for you. Please remember that time is fluid. Energies can be interchangeable. And this will not resonate with every single Gemini in no contact. So only accept what resonates. Please, please, please leave the rest. And I hope that this helps somebody somewhere. And I thank you for watching.